Have you ever wondered what truly sets remarkable women apart? It's not just about looks or wealth, it's something much deeper, something powerful. In a world full of fleeting trends and surface-level connections, being a woman of true value will set you apart in ways you can't imagine. Stick with me as we uncover the secrets to becoming a high-value woman in today's world and how this will completely transform your life. Welcome to Balanced Bliss. Today, we're diving deep into how to become a woman of value in today's world. This isn't just about relationships. It's about personal development, professional growth, and living with purpose. If you're ready to unlock your potential, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss content that empowers you. Let's begin by talking about the core qualities that define a high-value woman. 1. Be a woman of your word. A high-value woman honors her commitments, whether to herself or others. In a world where flakiness has become the norm, reliability is your superpower. When you say you'll do something, follow through. People will trust you, and that trust is the foundation for all types of relationships, both personal and professional. If you believe reliability is a rare but valuable trait, hit the like button and subscribe to stay connected. 2. Be a woman of substance. Surface-level beauty and charm fade, but your character and depth of thought will always matter. A woman of substance engages with the world, whether it's through lifelong learning, community service, or standing up for her beliefs. Read widely, explore new interests, and don't shy away from complex conversations. True value comes from within. 3. Be a woman of class. Class is not just about style. It's about how you handle yourself. Even in challenging situations, grace should be your guiding principle. Being a woman of class means knowing when to speak and when to listen. It's about understanding that how you say something often matters more than what you say. Carry yourself with dignity and respect for others, and you'll exude class in everything you do. If you're getting value out of this so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Next, let's dive into how you can become this high-value woman. 1. Improve your self-worth. Start by recognizing your inherent worth. High-value women do not seek validation from others. Instead, they invest in self-care, personal growth, and setting boundaries that protect their well-being. Your worth isn't tied to external approval. It comes from knowing who you are and what you stand for. If you're committed to building your self-worth, comment "I'm worthy" below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. 2. Set high standards. Never settle for mediocrity. In your career, relationships, and friendships, set clear, high standards. This is not about being rigid, but about knowing what you deserve and not compromising on your values. When you hold yourself to high standards, you create a life filled with purpose and respect. 3. Be independent. High-value women are self-sufficient. Independence, whether financial, emotional, or intellectual, is a trait that allows you to move through life with confidence. Take ownership of your career, your finances, and your personal decisions. When you can stand on your own, you don't need to rely on anyone else to feel complete. You become empowered. So what's in it for you when you become a high-value woman? Let's explore the tangible benefits. 1. You'll be more attractive to high-value men. When you embody high-value traits, you naturally attract men who share similar values. High-value men look for women who are confident, independent, and who hold themselves with respect. For example, take celebrities like Amal Clooney. Her intelligence, poise, and independence make her more than just a partner to George Clooney. She's a woman who stands out on her own. If this is resonating with you, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and become part of our empowering community. 2. You'll have more fulfilling relationships. Your personal relationships, whether friendships, family, or romantic, will flourish. When you know your worth, you stop tolerating toxic dynamics and start attracting people who respect and uplift you. For example, consider how Oprah Winfrey surrounds herself with people who align with her values, helping her maintain a supportive circle. 3. You'll be happier and more fulfilled. When you live authentically and in alignment with your values, you experience greater peace and joy. The constant need for external validation fades, and you find fulfillment in being true to yourself. Living authentically allows you to focus on what truly brings you happiness. Are you ready to live authentically? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss content like this. At this point, you may be wondering, how do I attract a high-value man? Here's where we go beyond cliches. 1. Be yourself. Authenticity is your biggest asset. High-value men are drawn to women who are comfortable in their own skin. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to unfulfilling relationships. Be real, and the right man will appreciate you for it. If you're funny, be funny. If you're intellectual, don't hide it. Embrace who you are. 2. Be confident, not arrogant. Confidence is attractive, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. High-value men respect women who know their worth but are also kind and approachable. Show confidence through your actions, not by putting others down. 3. Be fun to be around. Don't forget to enjoy life. High-value men are attracted to women who can have a good time, who bring joy and lightness to situations. A high-value relationship is about balance, knowing when to have deep conversations, but also when to let loose and have fun. Think of it as being multidimensional. If you want to keep bringing positivity and balance into your life, subscribe and join our community today. Now, let's talk about something equally important: how to be a high-value woman in your career. Balancing your personal development with professional success is essential. 1. Be competent. Competence is the foundation of your professional reputation. The more you know your craft, the more respect you'll earn. Take Sheryl Sandberg, for instance. Her deep knowledge and expertise in her field helped her rise to one of the highest positions in tech. Continuous learning and improving are key to staying competent. 2. Be assertive, not aggressive. Assertiveness is about confidently voicing your ideas and standing up for yourself while still respecting others. This doesn't mean being aggressive or dominating conversations. Know when to speak up and when to listen. High-value women know how to strike this balance in professional settings. 3. Be a team player. While independence is important, so is collaboration. High-value women lift others as they climb. Being a team player means contributing to the collective good while maintaining your standards. Don't hesitate to mentor others or help your team shine. Success is sweeter when it's shared. Some may think being a high-value woman is all about competition or standing apart. But being high-value isn't about dominating others. It's about balancing strength with empathy, independence with teamwork. If you're ready to apply these principles in your career and personal life, hit the subscribe button for more videos that will help you become your best self. And there you have it. How to be a woman of value in today's world. This journey isn't just about becoming more attractive or successful. It's about building a life that you're proud of. Remember, being a high-value woman is a lifelong process. Keep growing, keep learning, and stay true to yourself. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts on what being a high-value woman means to you. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Until next time, stay balanced and blissful.